Assalamualaikum everyone. Right, so I was looking at HBAR some few days ago and I kind of like what it did. So we had this pattern, and I think the last time that I updated about HBAR was you have a pattern like this and you can break out and go to the technical target. It seems like in the future down the road you actually broke out here, and you made some back testing right there, took out a lot of stop losses, do some stop loss hunt, and then finally push it to the upside. So it was a little bit of a difficult trade down here, because if you look at the retest, you had the retest done here, and then they took the stop loss again, and then they finally pushed it up. So yeah, really bad. That was dirty. And anyways, it's just how the market really is. Take stop losses, other people's stop losses, and then finally push it up. So they didn't want anyone to get some profit. But the current situation is that what I don't like about HBAR is that you potentially might be making some bearish divergence, and that's on the 4-hour time frame here. So you got a little bit of a higher high going on and a lower highs going on in here on the RSI. So we have a mismatch, and that means the momentum is shifting into the buyer side, and the seller side, and the buyers are actually getting worn out. They're losing the power to continue to push the prices up, which also means people are taking profits, in other words. So right now it's hard to say if the prices are going to keep pushing upwards, but let's look if we have any hint to see what's going to happen whatsoever. Alright, so I'm looking at the weekly time frame here, and we're really down here. We had a channel previously, we broke out of the channel, went up. So what can it be? You have 1 day 13 hours to close the candlestick right here, and that if this candlestick closes like green like this, then you're making a bullish engulfing, and this is a reversal maybe to even continue higher. So what I'm going to say is that on the weekly, if you do end up coming down to the lowest part of that place, then you're looking for a bigger possibilities to go to the downside. Let's see what the fib retracement was looking like at the time when we were coming down. So the fib retracement actually pretty much was holding the 0.5 as well, and if you start to lose the 0.5, it's going to be time to come down to the 0.618, which is 523. Lose the 523 and you're going to have a big problem all the way down to here. But I highly doubt you're going to be coming down here and losing the 0.618 due to the market sentiments at the moment for HBAR and the way it's looking. So let's see. The future, I don't know. HBAR is quite a strong project. People like HBAR, and I'm kind of looking into it. I haven't really bought anything for HBAR for the long term, but I might see what it's up to and what it's capable of, because maybe, just maybe, it's actually a good project for the future. I do have some positive vibes about HBAR, which I rarely have for any coin. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.